Amidst the load shedding woes, Managing Director of Meecl Sanjay Goyal said that the situation as far as load shedding is concerned in the state will improve shortly, stating that the demand is touching around 250 megawatts and the available power is around 170 megawatts. Goyal said the gap between power demand and supply still exists. He also informed that the duration of load shedding in Shillong is slightly short in comparison to other parts of the state, owing to the fact that Shillong is the capital and bill collection here is quite good. Meanwhile, Garo Hills region are facing severe power cuts for not less than 10 hours of load shedding amidst heat wave, and Khasi Jaintia Hills too are facing load shedding for not less than 8 to 9 hours.
There's a gap between the available power which is there with us and the demand which is there in the state. The demand roughly is touching roughly around 250 megawatts, and the availability is roughly around 170 megawatt, which is from our own generation as well as our entitlement from the central generating